Kick out. Make someone go away or push them out. He was kicked out of school for bad behavior. Butt in. Cut in while someone is talking without letting them finish. Stop butting in. Let me finish talking. Bail on. Walk away from someone without warning and leave them behind. She bailed on our plans at the last minute. Bite back. Fight back or react in a strong and forceful way. He bit back after he insulted him. Black out. Pass out and become unconscious for a short time. He blacked out after drinking too much. Blow up. Lose control and become very mad. He blew up when he found out the truth. Boss around. Tell people what to do when it's not needed. She loves to boss around her little brother. Brush off. Ignore or reject someone rudely. He brushed off my advice and made a mistake. Carry on with. Continue doing something bad. He carried on with his bad habits despite the warnings. Chew out. Yell at someone or tell them off in a very harsh way. My boss chewed me out for being late. Chicken out. Be too scared to do something. He chickened out of the fight at the last moment. Come down on. Treat someone very strictly or speak to them in a very harsh way. The teacher came down on him for cheating. Crash out. Pass out and fall asleep because you're too tired. I crashed out on the couch after the long day. Drag down. Make someone feel worse or fail. His negativity drags everyone down. Draw out. Make something longer than necessary. He drew out the argument just to annoy us. Drown out. Make too much noise, covering other sounds. The crowd drowned out the speaker's voice. Egg on. Encourage someone to do something bad. They egged him on to break the rules. Fall out with. Have a serious argument with someone. They fell out with each other over money. Fool around. Mess around and do silly things instead of being productive. Stop fooling around and do your work. Get away with. Avoid punishment for something bad. He got away with cheating on the test. Give in. Surrender or stop resisting. He gave in to peer pressure and smoked. Go down with. Start feeling unwell or catch an illness. I went down with the flu last week. Lay into. Go after someone aggressively or say very harsh things about them. She laid into him for being careless. Lie around. Sit around and avoid doing any work. He just lies around all day instead of working. Look down on. Think you are better than someone. He looks down on people with less money. Back down. Stop arguing and accept that you won't win the fight. He refused to back down, even when he was wrong. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.